Morning children, our next chapter is chapter 6, bones, joints and muscles. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn about the skeleton, skull, vertebral column, ribs, limbs, ball and socket joints, hinge joint and pivot joint, gliding joint and cartilage and 3 types of muscles. Okay, so our first topic is skeleton. So children, you have learned about various parts of our body in your early classes, okay, like head, hands, legs, eyes, nose, etc. Okay, they are the parts of our body. So now let us learn about some organ which cannot be seen from outside. Okay, it means they are inside. Okay, they are internal organs like bones, muscles, brain, the inside of an eye. Okay, so they are the inside part of our body. So human skeleton is a framework of bones. Okay, the human skeleton, it is the framework of our body and it is made up of bones, okay, which protect all our internal organ. So the skeleton protect our internal organs. An adult human has 206 bones of different shapes, sizes and different functions. So children, an adult human being is made up of 206 bones, okay, of different shapes, sizes and different functions. So some bones are long, some are short, some are flat and some irregular bones. Now every bone is joined to another bone at least by one joint. So joint means क्या होता है children? The bone is joined to another bone, okay, is called a joint. So the ordered structure of all the bones together make a skeleton. Okay, so let us study the skeleton in detail. The first organ is the skeletal system. Okay, the first organ is the skull. It is also called a brain box. Okay, the skull is also called a brain box and it protects our brain. जो skull होता है, skull को हम brain box कहते हैं, ठीक है, brain box भी कहते हैं, और ये क्या करता है, हमारे brain को protect करता है. The front part of our head is made up of 14 facial bones and upper part is made up of 8 flat bones. So it is made up of 14 facial bones, ठीक है, and upper part is made up of 8 flat bones. And all these bones are interlocked tightly. See the structure children, this is the skull, ठीक है, it is made up of 14 facial bones, ठीक है, and 8 flat bones which are present in upper part of the skull. And these bones are interlocked tightly. ये आपस में कैसे होते हैं, इस तरीके से interlock होते हैं. They interlock tightly with one another, make the joint immovable. जिसकी वजह से जो joint होता है वो क्या हो जाता है, immovable हो जाता है. The only bone that can move in our head is lower jaw. लेकिन केवल वो जो lower jaw होता है हमारा, एक upper jaw होता है, एक lower jaw होता है ना. This is upper jaw, this is lower jaw. The upper jaw is movable. Okay, the only bone that can move in our head is lower jaw. Lower jaw की bone जो होती है वो क्या होती है, movable होती है, which enable us to talk and eat. उसी की वजह से हम क्या कर पाते हैं, बोल पाते हैं और खा पाते हैं, ठीक है. तो only movable joint is present in upper jaw. Okay, so children, what is brain box? What is brain box? The skull. Okay, the skull is called a brain box. And which bone of our head is movable? Upper jaw. And what is its use? Enable us to talk and eat. And how many bones are there in the human head? 14 facial bones, ठीक है, and 8 flat bones. So total 22 bones. Okay, so children, this much for today's class. So children, please learn the meaning of joint. Joint means where two things meet, and skeleton means the ordered structure of all the bones in our body. Okay, thank you.